So, Google entered the folding phone market in 2023 with the first-generation Pixel Fold, aiming to challenge Samsung's dominance. Despite its unconventional design, the Pixel Fold faced significant issues, prompting enthusiasts to eagerly anticipate its successor. Although the Pixel Fold is relatively new, leaks about the Pixel Fold 2 have inundated online platforms, revealing details about its design and internal specifications. Those software features remain undisclosed. While the debut Pixel Fold followed the design principles of the Pixel 7 series from 2022, indications suggest that the Pixel Fold 2 will take a different direction in Google's foldable device lineup. Images from Android authorities suggest a departure from Google's traditional camera visor in the Pixel Fold 2. Instead, a new rectangular camera module housing 3 lenses arranged in a stacked configuration, along with a strategically positioned sensor, is anticipated to mimic a quad camera setup. Additional insights from CAD renders, provided by SmartPrix and OnLeaks, hint at changes in the Pixel Fold 2's dimensions, which are expected to be narrower yet taller than its predecessor. The external cover display is projected to expand to 6.4 inches from the original Pixel Fold's 5.4 inches, while the primary inner display will offer a larger viewing area of 7.9 inches. In a move reminiscent of Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5, rumors suggest that the Pixel Fold 2 may incorporate an under-display hidden selfie camera on its primary folding display. Notably, the renders do not depict any camera cutouts within the display or surrounding bezels. However, while this feature may initially seem appealing, there are concerns about potential image quality degradation, similar to issues seen in Samsung's devices. This is especially worrying for a camera-centric device like the Pixel Fold 2, unless Google utilizes its AI capabilities to address any potential image quality issues. Considering Google's typical product release timeline, it is speculated that the Pixel Fold 2 may debut alongside the Pixel 8a, Android 15, and other Google innovations at the upcoming Google I/O 2024 annual developer event. As anticipation continues to grow, enthusiasts eagerly await further details and official confirmation regarding the Pixel Fold 2's features and availability. With leaks abound and excitement building, the Pixel Fold 2's launch promises to be a significant event in the world of foldable smartphones, potentially reshaping the landscape of the market and providing consumers with a compelling alternative to Samsung's offerings. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel Fold 2? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.